There, L4. Very nice.
I thought it wasn't going to crack.
Oh, get out of here. I'm just going to take the x-rays so I can see. That's it right there. Beautiful. Beautiful job. On your back. Correct. And it's exactly. Let's get that. Okay.
I was 100% sure it wasn't going to crack.
On your back. I expected. I want you to relax. Very nice. The neck should have a curve to it, like a natural curve to it. Very nice. Beautiful. And right here. Good, right there. Excellent. Okay. Jay, come on back. On my hand. On my hand. There you go. Right there. Good. Oh my goodness.
Wow.